In this video, I want to quickly show you how you should use the Advantage Disadvantage book. This book follows the lessons in this module step by step. It was prepared to help you understand how to write an Advantage Disadvantage essay in a clear, organized way and within the structure expected in IELTS Writing Task 2. Inside it, you will find the essay structure, the 4-paragraph model, explanations about the TL, examples of introductions and conclusions, academic vocabulary, linking phrases, important grammar points, practice exercises, essay prompts, answer models, and answers at the end of the material. During the lessons, keep the book open and follow along with me. After each explanation, do the corresponding exercises and check the answers at the end. This material is not just a reading PDF, it is your study guide for this module. At the end of this module, you will also have practice, a quiz, and a mock test focused on advantage, disadvantage to review the content and practice this type of essay with more confidence. So, before starting, once again, open the book for this module, follow the lesson with me, and use the material as support to study, practice, and review.